Hey everybody, it's Marcy, your honest travel advisor. We are on our way to the water park that is between the Rio Dunamar and the Rio Palace, Costa. So come with us as we kind of show you the path to the great land where the kids love, the water park. Let's go and follow Grayson. As we just went down just a few stairs there, this is the path that connects the two properties together. So being a guest here at the Rio Palace gives you full access over to the Rio Dunamar. Unfortunately, if you are a guest at the Rio Dunamar, you do not have access to the Rio Palace. Grayson, are we almost there?
Yeah. Now, as you can see, we can't take you down the ones there because there's a sign that says no anything. Even if you have a necklace, they'll stop you and you'll have to take it off. So we're gonna take you down the little slides right over there.
You know, Grayson, that is very good advice, you know. So they're telling us that no hats, no jewelry, you can't have a GoPro or your phone to go down the slides. They take safety very, very serious here.
Wear earrings.
So they have it in two sections here. So to entrance, the first entrance will be to the actual larger water slides, and then the second entrance is to the splash area, and that's a great area for the little ones. So I believe we're going to start with the splash area as we follow Grayson along here. It is a beautiful day here in Costa. No question, the weather is cooperating quite nicely. We almost there, Grayson?
Yeah.
So welcome to the Real Land Splash Waterworks, as they call it. You take a little walk around so you can see what's here. So they do have seating areas for the parents to be sitting in shade as the little ones can splash around and play in the water. Which is great because that's always been an issue, is where can you sit? There's some awesome slides. I don't think there's any kid who would not have fun here. Right, Grayson?
Yep.
Now, Grayson, you've been here. What have you been doing? Can't hear you. You got to speak up, though, okay?
Going down those slides.
Ah, okay. You gonna go show us?
Sure.
Okay, now you go, and I'm gonna take it from here and watch you come out. So go down, go up here and go down the blue one.
Okay.
So you can see different levels, and then you've got the buckets up top there. And here comes Grayson. And Grayson's gonna wave as he comes down the slide. See that? You know, it's so much fun here with the kids and here at the water park. And then right behind me, which we'll do a video shortly of, is, of course, the bigger slides here at Splash Water Park.